What if throwing a ball into a wall could sometimes result in the ball appearing on the other side of the wall? Sounds absurd, right? But in the realm of quantum mechanics, such peculiar scenarios are the norm. Welcome to the fascinating and mind-boggling world of quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple places at once, can teleport through barriers, and can be entangled over vast distances. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, like atoms, and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. Imagine a game of musical chairs. Now, imagine playing it with a twist. Instead of racing to sit on a single chair when the music stops, everyone ends up sitting on all the chairs simultaneously. This is what particles do in the quantum world. They exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Now, let's consider a magic trick. A magician places a coin under one of 3 cups, shuffles them around, and you have to guess which cup hides the coin. In our everyday world, the coin exists under 1 cup only. But in the quantum world, the coin would exist under all 3 cups at the same time until someone decides to check. The act of checking forces the coin to choose a location, a process called wave function collapse. Moving on, consider a scenario where you throw a tennis ball at a wall, expecting it to bounce back. But what if sometimes the ball disappears on one side of the wall and reappears on the other side? Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but this is a quantum phenomenon known as quantum tunneling. Finally, imagine 2 twins separated at birth and living in different parts of the world. But somehow, they always feel the same thing at the same time. If one gets a cold, the other one does too. In the quantum world, this is called quantum entanglement. If 2 particles are entangled, the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. To sum up, the world of quantum mechanics is as strange as it is beautiful. It's a world where particles behave like they're in a game of supercharged musical chairs, where they can exist under all cups at the same time in a magician's trick, where tennis balls can pass through walls, and where twins can feel each other's experiences from across the globe. Quantum mechanics might seem surreal, even nonsensical, but it forms the basis of our understanding of the universe on its most fundamental level. It's a world that defies our everyday intuition and forces us to look at reality in a whole new light. So next time you throw a ball at a wall, just remember, in another world, that ball just might make it to the other side.